Did you know that humble box of baking soda in your pantry is basically a superhero in disguise? Yeah, I'm talking about that stuff you use to make cookies rise. Turns out it's got more tricks up its sleeve than a vaudeville magician. We're not just talking about baking here, folks. This little box of wonder can clean your house, deodorize your gym bag, and even give you pearly white teeth. Today, we're diving deep into the science of sodium bicarbonate, and trust me, it's way more exciting than high school chemistry. We're going to bust some myths, uncover some hidden talents, and by the time we're done, you'll be looking at that little orange box like it holds the secrets to the universe. So, grab your lab coats and goggles and let's get cooking with science. All right, let's address the elephant in the room, or rather the box in the pantry. Baking soda, that humble white powder sitting quietly on your shelf, is often misunderstood. A lot of folks think baking soda is a one-trick pony, good for only baking soda volcanoes and maybe a pinch to settle an upset stomach. But there's so much more to it than that. But that's like using a Swiss Army knife to just open Amazon packages. You're missing out on a world of possibilities. First off, let's talk about freshness. Keeping your kitchen fresh and clean is a top priority for many of us. That open box of baking soda in your fridge, it's not doing much. It's a common misconception that it can just sit there and absorb all the odors. See, baking soda needs to come into direct contact with an odor to neutralize it. Simply placing it in the fridge won't cut it. Just sitting there in a box? Not so much. It needs to be more proactive. We'll get into better ways to use it later. Trust me, there are more effective methods. And then there's the whole baking soda as cleaning agent myth. Many believe it's a miracle cleaner. Now, while it's true that baking soda can cut through grease and grime, it's not that great on its own. It needs a little help. You see, baking soda needs an acidic partner in crime to really pack a punch. Think lemon juice, vinegar, you get the idea. When combined with these acidic substances, baking soda becomes a powerful cleaning agent. Another misconception is that baking soda is a miracle whitener for everything. People often overestimate its capabilities. While it can help brighten teeth and remove stains from some surfaces, it's not a magic wand. It has its limitations. Overuse can actually damage certain materials, so always test a small area first. It's better to be safe than sorry. And finally, let's talk about storage. Proper storage is key to maintaining its effectiveness. That cardboard box your baking soda comes in, not the best choice for keeping it fresh and potent. It needs better protection. Moisture is the enemy here, folks. Exposure to moisture can render it useless. We want to keep that powder dry and ready for action. An airtight container is your best bet. So there you have it. Baking soda myths busted. We've debunked some common misconceptions. Now that we've cleared the air, let's move on to the really fun stuff. All the amazing things this little powerhouse can do. Stay tuned for some surprising and creative uses that will make you see baking soda in a whole new light. Okay, now that we've debunked some common baking soda myths, let's get down to business. You might be surprised at just how many uses this simple household item has. Prepare to have your mind blown by the sheer versatility of this humble ingredient. It's not just for baking or keeping your fridge fresh. First up, cleaning. Remember how we talked about baking soda needing an acidic buddy? Well, here's where the magic happens. This dynamic duo can tackle some of the toughest cleaning jobs in your home. Mix equal parts baking soda and vinegar, and you've got yourself a powerful cleaning solution that can tackle everything from soap scum to burnt food on pots and pans. It's like having a secret weapon in your cleaning arsenal. The chemical reaction between the two creates a fizzing action that helps loosen dirt and grime, making your cleaning chores a breeze. No more scrubbing for hours on end. Next, let's talk about odors. Forget those chemical-laden air fresheners. Baking soda is your new best friend. It's a natural and effective way to keep your home smelling fresh. Sprinkle some in your stinky shoes and you'll be amazed at how quickly it neutralizes the odor. Leave an open container in the fridge and it will absorb all those unwanted smells, keeping your food tasting fresh. Or make a paste with water to remove stubborn odors from cutting boards. It's a simple solution that works wonders. Baking soda neutralizes odors naturally, leaving your home smelling fresh and clean. No more masking smells with artificial fragrances. But wait, there's more. Baking soda can also work wonders in your personal care routine. It's a versatile addition to your beauty regimen. Mix it with water to create a gentle exfoliating scrub for your face and body. It's perfect for removing dead skin cells and leaving your skin feeling soft and smooth. Add a bit to your shampoo for a clarifying boost. It helps remove buildup and leaves your hair feeling fresh and clean. You can even use it as a natural deodorant. Just a small amount can keep you feeling fresh all day long. And for all you gardeners out there, baking soda can even help your plants thrive. It's a great addition to your gardening toolkit. Sprinkle a small amount around your plants to deter pests and fungal growth. It's a natural way to protect your garden. Just be careful not to overdo it, as too much baking soda can harm your plants. Moderation is key. These are just a few of the countless ways baking soda can make your life easier and healthier. It's a true multitasker. And the best part, it's inexpensive and readily available. So why not stock up and start exploring all the amazing things you can do with baking soda today? Chapter 3. The baking soda. Surprise, this will change everything. All right, folks, are you ready for the baking soda bombshell? This is something that could truly revolutionize your kitchen safety. The one that'll make you say, "Why didn't anyone tell me this sooner?" It's a game changer, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without this knowledge. Well, here it is. Baking soda can help put out fires. Yes, you heard that right. This common household item can be a real lifesaver. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't just an old wives' tale, it's backed by science. This unassuming kitchen staple can actually be a lifesaver in a grease fire emergency. Imagine the peace of mind, knowing you have a quick solution right at your fingertips. You see, when baking soda is heated, it releases carbon dioxide, which can help smother flames. This chemical reaction is what makes it so effective. Now, I'm not saying you should ditch your fire extinguisher. It's always best to have multiple safety measures in place. But in a pinch, if you've got a small grease fire on the stovetop, grabbing that box of baking soda could be the difference between a minor kitchen mishap and a full-blown disaster. It's a quick and effective first line of defense. Of course, prevention is always better than cure. Always be vigilant when cooking. Never leave cooking unattended, and always have a working fire extinguisher within reach. These precautions can save lives, but it's good to know that in a pinch, that little box of baking soda can be your unexpected hero. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember this tip. It could make all the difference. Chapter 4. Baking soda, your new best friend. So there you have it. We've busted myths, explored surprising uses, and even uncovered baking soda's hidden talent as a fire extinguisher. Who knew this humble ingredient could be so darn versatile? From cleaning and deodorizing to personal care and even fire safety, baking soda has earned its place as a true household hero. It's inexpensive, readily available, and most importantly, it works. So the next time you reach for that box of baking soda, remember its true potential. Don't just relegate it to the back of your pantry. Embrace its versatility and let it work its magic in every aspect of your life. Chapter 5. Share your baking soda secrets. Now, I know I've shared a lot of baking soda wisdom with you today, but I'm sure you've got some tricks up your sleeve too. Head down to the comments section and tell me your favorite ways to use baking soda. Let's build a community of baking soda enthusiasts. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any future episodes filled with more household hacks, kitchen experiments, and culinary adventures. Outro, the baking soda revolution. Well, folks, there you have it. Baking soda, the unsung hero of the pantry, the MacGyver of household solutions, the culinary chameleon that can tackle just about anything. We've seen its superpowers firsthand, from banishing odors to battling grease fires. We've learned that it's not just for baking, but for making our lives easier, healthier, and dare I say, more delicious. So go forth, my friends, and embrace the power of baking soda. Experiment, explore, and most importantly, have fun with it. Because when it comes to this versatile ingredient, the possibilities are truly endless.